actually, this is wefted. This is raw material.
This is wefted?
Yeah, this is already wefted. You see, this is bulk.
Oh, that's bulk.
Bulk, yeah. According to different people, you know, there different people have different colors. So maybe some grandma also donate her hair. Maybe other color.
Right.
Some
Makes
are
sense.
black color. You see these people, she's little bit brown. Color is little bit brown, right? So different people hair give different colors.
But this is the raw, completely raw material, and basically it's harder to find. So it's not as much in here. Okay. This is in bulk. Fresh off the head. This one feels much nicer. Much nicer.
Like this is the material.
Yeah.
You get Chinese hair. This is Chinese hair, not like Indian hair. This is very strong. See here, one strand, every strand is strong.
Full.
Thick,
Yeah.
strong. So you can bleach, you can twist, you can do a lot of things with Chinese hair.
Wow.
Very, very thick and strong.
That's the same.
Yes.
It's just
Yeah.
very good. Even shorter? What is this,
Even
like
shorter.
8 inches? So mostly what they're gonna offer is, this kind of hair is pretty much cut raw and dry. So it's straight hair, wefted, that's about it.
Yeah, if you, the house also they have to
Clean
they
it.
also have, they can they will clean, and some people they want like a big body wave.
Yeah, can I
they will do that.
Yeah, okay.
See,
Yeah.
very good. It's you if you look
Very
at
good.
your
Yeah, I like this hair.
like soft, but some customer they just like the
Yeah,
raw
no
feel.
silicone cutting, yeah.
They will not
The
do
raw
anything,
feel.
just wash, weft. That's it.
I like that a lot. Okay. Searching and searching. And this is about our 4th or 5th manufacturer. We had to travel hours by car to get here, but I think I may have found the place. This right here is a manufacturer who's gonna offer completely raw, one donor, cuticle cut hair that's completely aligned and unprocessed. I can obviously order different steam processed hair, but it's gonna be completely 100% unprocessed, which is very, very hard to find if you're sourcing your hair in China. So I just wanted you guys to take a look of the hair in bulk. This is how it comes. So it's still gonna get wefted and then it's gonna get washed. It's not gonna have the silicone coating or the conditioner, which is sometimes a chemical on it. This is the washing and conditioning goes down. Sorry. Okay guys, this is really, really a learning lesson and moment. If you're ever sourcing hair in China, you will be able to smell the chemicals as soon as you walk into some of the warehouses and buildings. This is one of the only warehouses where I'm not smelling that chemical smell. If you notice today, I don't have on my mask covering because this factory is going to be completely raw material. The only thing that you can get from this factory in particular is going to be hair that's steam curled. Other than the steam curl, you're not going to get any of the silicone coating, thank you, or any of the hair that has the Remy style where they have to make it all one line. This factory smells good when you come in here. It's a simple process, and usually less is more. We've always heard that, right? But when it comes to hair, less is really more. So if you're looking for authentic washing, Here, this is a super smaller factory. It's not mass produced. So I think that that's really cool because they can do more customization and do things that better fit the customer, which is something I'm really interested in. Obviously, this is not in one of the popular cities. This is somewhere that you have to travel very far out to, and really you have to kind of know someone that will bring you to factories like this in general, even some of the ones where they do the processing. But you'll be able to smell it. If you ever go and do your sourcing in China, most of the factories you can smell the chemicals when you come in, and this one smells lovely. So
They are making one grade. Most they are making one grade.
and usually if they're making one grade hair, that is kind of a good sign. Because that lets you know that they're not trying to sell they're more honest. They have one kind of hair,
Yes.
one kind of price. So that's really good.
Material is so expensive.
Which one? Natural hair or
Yeah, we use it. It's not maybe not really in but it's general. We can do these things.
Why is it not so thick on the end? You said it's not so thick on the end?
You can see they have one grade.
I wonder if they're more expensive or what the price list
Order
is.
if you wanna thick on the end, they can also do, but you know the price will be recalculated. It won't be. Yeah.
Is that how silicone color? Does any of that have
This is finished. Look, this is finished. It will be like this fullness. The end will be full like this, regular, like regular fullness. It's okay because natural people have this kind of
Right,
fullness.
right.
You cannot. Natural people cannot.
This is
thin it
full
thin.
throughout. It's full. Gets thin like right here, but like natural.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It has short hair, but it's very natural looking. Has long hair, have short hair. Mixed.
Yeah, I know. Are these 100-gram bundles?
Yeah, 100 gram.
100 gram.
This is the money eBay 100 gram. Maybe minus 2, 3 or plus 2, 3. Because this one weight also change. Sometimes more moisture, you're getting 2, 3
Right.
weight more. Sometimes you're getting 2, 3 grams less. So it's normal.
Yeah, this feels really good. Yeah, I'm like, let me see. This is the same thing.
Okay. 20了吧，22。
The only thing with it being a smaller manufacturer is that if you want to do the wax and things like that, it seems to be focused on that kind of
Which thing?
like wigs or
Wig?
wigs and
Do we do?
Just
We
give them
clip
time.
thing. Sometimes if you maybe if you need quantity with quantity you can do that. Not so much time.
right.
Wigs. Do?
Can I see this? This is a remedy.
No, this is haircut. And think every day, the more you use it, it becomes more and more beautiful.
Yeah.
Because it has 100% cuticle. When you brush it, when you make it, the cuticle become more and more
like natural hair.
slippery. Yes. Like that. This hair is not, some hair are with a very unnatural luster or unnatural. This is pretty natural and but when you wear it, people wear it. This is a drying process and it just shipped. Yeah, today, yeah. The phone. Body. It's not dry yet.
Not dry.
Different process. They will have to use when they use to make the curl.
Oh, did you do on
how the bundle is wrapped. It's all done by hand. You can see in the factories what exactly they're doing, and there's really a lot that's actually done by hand. One of the things that's not done by hand, one of the few things that's not done by hand, is going to be the wefting. These here are the wefting machines, and you can get single or double wefts depending on your manufacturer and what your customization is according to your needs. Today I went home with a 100% unprocessed bundle that I'm going to test out. I'm going to color it. I'm going to test the strength of it. I'm going to put the hot comb next to it and make sure that it tests and pass my test. So yeah, it's exciting. And this one here is going to be the single weft. I'm going to try the single weft, and then I also have the double wefts that I'm going to try. So this is the wefting machine. Like I said, you can come closer and let them see the wefting and how it's kind of done. The workers are going home for the day, so they've come to a stopping point.